Hello, teacher. I am Renzo Quiroz, and today I will tell you a little about myself. I'm from Lima, Peru. I was born on April 18, 2004. I live with my mom and my sister. My dad lives in another place, but when I have time, I visit him. I'm good at remember things, and that always helps me on any occasion. I'm studying international business administration, and my favorite subjects are marketing and finance. I worked at BCP in customer service actually, and in my free time, I like listening to music and play football. In this course, because I want to improve my English and learn new things that will help me in the future. That's all. Thank you.